Good day, class. Welcome to Playing Tricks in Mathematics. Today, we want to look at cubes and cube roots of numbers. Let's start with cubes. The cube means power of 3. Therefore, the cube of any number is obtained when the number is multiplied by itself twice. For example, m cube is m times m times m. Alright? Cube of 4 is 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, that is 64. So that is the meaning of cube or cubes in mathematics. Now, let's look at some examples to understand what they are saying. Examples. Find the cube of the following. Right? 1, 5, 2, half, 3, 0.2. We want to see how we can find the cube of the following numbers. Let's start with 1. 5 cube is 5 raised to power 3. Since cube is power of 3, so this is 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5 is 125. 2. Half cube or 1 over 2 cube is 1 over 2 raised to power 3, right? This will be 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. Alright? 1 times 1, 1 times 1, 1 over 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. This is 1 over 8. Then let's look at the third one, which is 0.2. So cube of 0.2 is 0.2 raised to power 3. This is 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.2. Alright? Let's eliminate the point first. That will be 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. 8. Now, we'll move back in 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So the decimal will be here. 0, 0. Alright? So the final answer will be 0.008. So that's how to find cubes of numbers in mathematics. Now, let's look at the cube root. The symbol of cube root is like this. This is the symbol of cube root. How do we define cube roots in mathematics? The cube root of a number is the number that when multiplied by itself twice, it gives the original number. Likewise, cube root can also be expressed as power of 1 over 3 or power of 1/3. E.g., let's say I want to find cube root of 125. Right? Cube root of 125. What I'm trying to find is that I'm looking for a number that when I multiply it 3 times, is going to give me 125. And that is what? That is 5. So if I multiply 5 by itself 3 times, it's going to give me 125. So therefore, cube root of 125 is 5. Because 5 is the number that I will multiply 3 times that will give me 125. And that is just the meaning. Cube root of 125 is the same thing as 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Alright? Then I can say 5 raised to the power 3, 1 over 3. Right? This one will call this one. Alright? That is how to express cube root of number in mathematics. Now, let us look at how to find cube roots of numbers in mathematics. The easiest way to find the cube roots of numbers is by using product of prime factors. So let's look at some examples to understand how to use product of prime factors to find cube root of numbers in mathematics. Examples. Find the cube root of the following. Right? 1, 512. 2, 5,832. Now, let's start with 1. 512. I want to look at cube root of 512. So let's draw our usual table. 5, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5, 6, 2, 1, 2, 8, 2, 6, 4, right? 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, 6, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5, 1, 2 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Since cube means power of 3, so let's separate them into threes like this. So this will be 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power 3. So you pick one from here, 2, pick one from here, 2, pick one from here, 2. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Therefore, cube root of 512 is 8. Let's check. 8 times 8, that is 64. 64 times 8 is 512. Now, let's solve the second question. Question 2. We want to look at cube root of 5832. Let's draw our usual table. 5832. Let's start with 2. 2, 9, 1, 6. Right? Let's go with 2 again. 2, 1, 4, 5, 8. Let's go with 2 again. 7, 2, 9. 2 cannot go again. Let's go with 3. 3, 2, 4, 3. 3 can still go. 3 in 24. 8, 81. Let's go with 3 again. 3 here. 2, 7. 3 again. 9. 3, 3, 1. Alright? Now when we reach 1, we can stop. So let's write what we have. So 5832 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So since cube is power of 3, let's separate them to threes. Alright? So this is 2 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 3. So we now pick one from here, 2. Pick one from here, 3. Pick one from here, 3. So 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3, 18. So the cube root of 5832 is 18. That is 18 times 18 times 18 will give us 5832. So that is how to find cube roots of numbers in mathematics. Now, for basic operations in cubes and cube roots, just check our video on basic operations in squares and square roots. Follow the steps. Keep in mind that you are doing cubes and cube roots. The processes are the same. Thank you for watching and listening. Please like this video and other videos on our channel. Share this video and other videos on our channel. Subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to give us your feedback by writing your comment to us. See you next time.